Inhlangano ye-Men and Boy Sector noma yebo inhlangano ye-Men noma ngathi ke i-Men and Boy Sector ibambe kumkhankaso womphakathi eMidlands namuhla ekseni obekuhloswe ke ngawo ukuqwashisa ngokusetshenziswa kwezidakamizwa kanye nokuba umlutha wazo osekudlangileke kule ndawo. Lolu hlelo kwelihlinzeka inkundla yokugonyuluka kwamadoda ngeinselelo abhekene nazo ukuze kuzosetshenziswana ekutholeni ixazululo. Abahleli ke balomkhankaso bathi inhloso yabo ukugqugquzela amadoda ukuthi edlale indima enhle emphakathini kube kwakhiwa indawo ephephile yamadoda nabafana abancane.
Intshukumo yeqela lamadoda yaseMidlands ibambe umsitho ongokulumkisa ngobungozi bokuxhatshazwa kweziyobisi kunye nokunika iqonga kumadoda ukuba athethe phandle ngemiceli-mngeni ajongana nayo mihla le.
We've got inkinga yama-drugs. It's a very big problem, and as men, especially as Indoda Wednesday movement, we thought we cannot turn a blind eye to what is happening in our immediate society. So that's why we are here. It is important for us to tackle the issue. Number one, we know the drug users. We also know the people who are selling these drugs. So if we can come together as men in society and in community to say, we're taking a stand and saying no to drugs.
Oko iqalile lentshukumo ichazwe njengaleyo ibonisa igalelo elihle kodwa edinga ungenelelo lukarhulumente kunye nabathathi nxaxheba abafanelekileyo.
We are trying to say to men, you are not alone. We are here. We also go through those challenges. But what is important is that as men, we also need to have a voice and be able to speak out. Indoda iyakhala, indoda ikhaleli ngaphakathi. So the purpose of us having Indoda Wednesday is to have a support group as men so that we also avoid issues about gender-based violence, rape, and into murder and all that. The men's sector started with the theme of Takwani Rime, meaning that let's stand up together. And then now we've moved from that theme. We are on building a better man for tomorrow. So we've seen that men are beginning to stand up. Though I would say there's still a lot of work that needs to be done. But also the most important thing is that as much as we're trying to bring men together, we also need support from various stakeholders, government and business.
Eliqela lihlangana rhoqo ngeveki ukushukuxa imiba ebandakanya amadoda nemiba yasekuhlaleni. Kwiindaba zaSoweto TV, ndinguNomzabalazo Mduka eMidlands.